Well, this morning the Board of Works accepted bids for the repair of the animal shelter and also for the repair work on the #1 fire station. In addition to that, the board rescinded an old improvement resolution made in 1967 concerning drainage and storm drainage and curb and gutter repair in the 400 block on Hollywood, and we passed a new resolution since the old resolution had not been acted on for 2 years. And bids have been are being advertised, or that is not bids, but it is advertised for a hearing on June 11, and necessary advertising will be made. A discussion was had on a light change. There's been some thought that the Jackson and Martin Street light hinders rather than helps traffic, and that perhaps the light ought to be moved to McKinley, but that is placed under further study, and recommendations will be forthcoming from the traffic engineer.